Hey, babe!
Hi, babe!
Ako na, tulungan natin.
Thank
How are you?
I'm good. Oh, where's si Nakatsuki?
Si Katsuki has some paperwork to do and habol sila ni Jojo tomorrow morning.
Sayang. I thought we're all gonna go up to Baguio pa naman.
Babe, is that polo blue? Pabango ba yun ng panglalaki?
Of course not! Tsaka, ano ba, Oz? Why are you going around spelling people like that? Baka ba kayo na-train?
Apple, narinig mo na ba yung news?
Chismosa ka talaga. Di ka pa nga sigurado.
Apple, ano nga ulit yung full name ni Smiley? Di ba kaibigan mo siya pati yung girlfriend niya?
Hindi ko naman kasi ganun ka-close si Smiley. Pero
Pero ano
naman,
nga yung full name niya?
Ozzy. Ozzy Relucio.
Ano yung first name niya?
Oswald.
Nagpunta ba siya ng Baguio kasama girlfriend niya?
Teka, bakit niyo alam?
Apple, may nabalita ka sa radyo kanina. May na-aksidente daw kotse sa La Union. Yung nagda-drive daw, Oswald Relucio yung pangalan. May kasamang babae.
Kaya nga nag-react to si Angel eh. Kasi pamilyar daw yung pangalan. Tapos, sinabi pang law student mula sa...
Pwede na order?
Ay, sorry po sir. Angel.
Sige. Sir, what's your order?
For every decision made, there are chances surrendered and opportunities missed. For every road taken, there is also a destination that is replaced and then forgotten. All it took for her was one moment of indecision, one moment of fear, one moment of hesitation. And suddenly, her world changed. What she thought were the tomorrows waiting for her became an incomplete yesterday of life and love that will remain forever unfulfilled. Suddenly, she found herself all alone again.